What's going on? Welcome everyone. Today to our second stream of the London opening. So real quick, what I'm going to do is find the link to this stream and send it over to my bros. Alright, so it is not here at the moment. Here we are. Sweet. I'm gonna send it over. Just like that. What's going on? Welcome everyone. Today. Is that how I sound? Damn. Okay, so just making sure that everyone gets this link right now. Real quick, we're gonna send it over to these guys and just probably everyone else around as well. Let's see. Private chat and trading, and that's about it. Good morning, bro. How you doing today? So today is an amazing Wednesday. So we are gonna start off real quick with the Euro USD. Ain't got no time to waste. Alright, so today, bro, we are going to be looking at Euro USD, JBP AUD, a few JBP pairs, and a few. We'll see whilst we go on. So let me just quickly see what's happening here. So what happened today on Euro USD at the London Open? We've been dropping yesterday ever since the Open. So I guess we continue to look for short positions. We continue to look for sales. Now on the 4-hour, I like this base drop. It might come back to mitigate. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, so London was over here. We could have had any potential buy opportunities from down there. We are in the sell zone right now. Check that. Okay. So Euro USD is not much happening yet. Not much yet. Okay. Well, I kind of like this. However, I feel like there's liquidity sitting up there, but it might be worth the shot. So let's see. What I'm doing now is I'm gonna take this last base drop candle, which is on our 30-minute, and I'm gonna mark it up as our M30 institutional candle. Let me keep that on the right. Yes, sir. Okay. Now, if we go on lower time frames for Euro USD on a 5-minute, let's see what we got. Okay, see what I mean? This here has to be an area of liquidity. It has to be. There are so many positions open all around there. Oh yeah, man. I think this is gonna get taken out. You know why? Because we've got money sitting right there. We've got money all over there. Let's make this a little bigger. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it for now. Not gonna do much to it. Just cause, you know, we still have points of interest over there at the top. So yeah. You know, I might just leave it for now. Whoa. Yeah, on the 15-minute, you know, as you see, you know, price. So this vertical line right here is 8 a.m. is the London Open. All right, now remember we're looking to buy below the open and sell above. We are above the open right now. It's just price might want to come back and mitigate these areas. If I go on the 1 hour real quick. Alright, on the 1 hour, we're still bearish, right? We're still bearish. Let's do this. Let's get rid of all this noise. Okay, so we can see it pretty obviously. If price does not continue to drop, if it does not, oh, sorry for that. So if it does not continue to drop, and this is the base, this was the high, take a fib, you know how it goes, right? We're looking to have sell points of interest around here. So this is the H1 point of interest, and then we're gonna look for the 88.6, which is our last level to test. H1 88.6. Let's keep that gold because it's our golden ratio. Alright, get down. Take it back to a candle chart just to see. Oh yeah, so see that where our point of interest is right at this imbalance that dropped right there. We've got a 45-minute institutional candle over there. We've got some 1 minute price action. If I go to the 1 minute, okay, and I'm gonna scroll back up. See, we were looking at this yesterday. I'm gonna delete a few things because they did not get respected. This was a 1 minute POI. This is a 1 minute 88.6. This was a 1 minute POI as well. Never got respected. This is our 2-hour points of interest. And what's this? From there to there. Let's just call that our 5-minute points of interest maybe. Because if we do this, yeah. Okay. It looks like it's on the hour. So Euro USD, we said we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait for price to come up to these tops over here. We're just gonna wait for price to come up around there to take any shorts. As for the buy scenarios, if we wanted to hedge ourselves up, see the thing is I would not get in a counter trend move just because we have a lot of selling pressure. So I would not look to get into any buys. Is that understandable? Drop in the comments below if you understand anything so far. Let's look at Euro EUD. Okay, no, I haven't analyzed that yet. All right. Ooh. Interesting. Give me a minute. All right, let's get back to it. AUD USD. Start on the 4-hour real quick. Bearish. Still bearish. Nothing. These didn't do nothing. Just boom, went right through it. Right through it. Through the structure though. Alright. On the 1 hour. On the 1 hour. Still very bearish. So let's do it. Let's find our points of interest. Now I believe this is the low and this is the high, because that's what my MACD is saying to me as well, even though it's not a very strong high. And we have equal highs up here. I might look at this high then. This is the real high. This is the external range. I'm gonna do this, alright? This right here in green is the H1 external range. External range. Hey, cool. Alright, so if that's the external range, I believe that what this is. Calm down. Oi. Chill out, dog. This is the internal range right here. Morning! Hey! Just chill, okay? I've got a dog right here next to me that's not looking to chill. So let's do this. Let's take our fibs from the internal range, which I will fix in just a moment. We've got sells possibly around there. We'll see what happens in New York. I might not take any trades until New York. And then, come on, there we go. We've got the 88.6 on the H1. So we can delete that. And as we said, this was our internal range. Alright, and then we've got another range up there. Let's try it out. Let's see. From that low to this, from that high to this low. Okay, see what I'm talking about? Look at that. It's just so perfect, right? So this is the H1 internal POI, and this is the H1 external points of interest. Now look at how this point of interest is right on top of these equal highs. Remember motive. What's the motive? Take out liquidity. The liquidity is right up there. And this is our external H1 external 88.6. Is this making any sense? Keep dropping in the comments anything if this does make any sense. If you have any questions. So now we've got that on your AUD USD, we know where we want to sell from. Alright, we just now let price come up to our area to take any sells. We are not going to head in any buys. We do not do counter trend trading. A little late for work? Hell no. Okay, Euro GBP, it was very interesting yesterday. Very, very interesting. And look at what it did today. Okay. We've got our M15 POI there for buys. I believe it's from this low to this high. We did get a retracement back to it. And then we continued to shoot. Okay. This was around New York. Yo. Alright, let's go to the 15-minute then. Yeah, you see what I mean? There we go. It dropped just as, well, New York opened somewhere around here. I marked all of that up, and then it dropped to the 88.6 to go on high for the buys. Now for Euro GBP, let's go on the higher time frame. What's our market structure like? We look pretty bearish, to be honest. High, low, liquidity, lower high, lower low, sweep that liquidity. Ooh. Let's delete that. Just another lesson for another day. So are we breaking structure to the upside? Are we? Let's figure it out. Alright, let's do this. On the H4 BOS2 upside. You know, it's okay to be questioning a few things every now and then. It's good. It's good that, you know, you take both parts of the journey. Oh, look at that. It did break structure. Alright, it broke structure, closed above. Yeah, it's good. Devil's advocate positions. On the 2 hour, let's see what we have. Let me just do that.